My name is Freeman, and I like to fish. I grew up in a small remote community in coastal British Columbia. My whole childhood, I fished with my dad out of his 9-foot rowboat, fishing for Chinook salmon and lingcod, two staples of BC and the Pacific Northwest in general. That sentiment about enjoying the challenges of human-powered fishing in waters otherwise dominated by big, powerful boats with even bigger price tags, that sentiment stuck with me. In my case, however, I prefer kayak fishing. There's one. What is that? It's got a bit of weight to it. Ooh, there it goes. Looks like Dad caught a fish. He's in the rowboat that you've seen me fish in a handful of videos over the past couple of months. Oh, there's your keeper. What was the measurement on it?
77 centimeters.
Yeah, just barely under.
That's a good inch.
Bunch of marks in the sounder. Look good? Yeah, like tons of fish, big fish alarms. I saw none of that 20 minutes ago.
They were just sitting down there waiting for this tide.
Oh, there it is again. Okay, I'm just drifting over it now. Beep, beep. There's the big fish alarm. More big fish alarms. Like kind of an insane amount of big fish alarms.
You went over that earlier and there wasn't anything?
Nothing at all. Honestly surprised I haven't already hooked one. It's a really small little localized spot though.
Yeah, I've got a lot of...
Oh, yeah, there's one. Yep, there we go.
There he is.
That was a wonky hit, but this is definitely a salmon. Awesome. I've got this camera going as well. There he is. That's probably a keeper. I think that's 60 to 80. Might actually be undersized. I think it's a keeper though. Don't do that. There. Well, whew, that could be undersized. Let's see. Undersized by 2 centimeters. Beautiful fish. Whoa, there he goes. Just a few centimeters too small to keep, but they're here. It's happening right now. I gotta get back in fishing. Like I said, folks, time is absolutely of the essence. This bite could last not very long. Oh wait, there's a bunch on the surface now.
Really?
Yeah, I'm seeing like 4 fish markers in a bait ball at 30 feet right here. There's one. Oh, he's off. He's off. Damn it. That was a huge hit. Oh, that was a huge hit. I saw some suspended fish at like 40 feet. So I back trolled myself off bottom until I felt like that's around the depth I was at. And I just got hammered, but I missed it. Damn. They're definitely over here too. Oh no, I've got one, but I'm tangled. I've got one, but I'm tangled. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. We're good, we're sort of okay. Oh boy. Coming right at me, right at me, right at me, right at me. Yep. This could be big. Those were some meaty head shakes. Maybe, might be big. Right there, I can see him. Can't quite tell the exact size yet though. I think it could be a keeper. I think it's a keeper if I can land it. It's doing all the wrong things. Okay, big dog. That's a solid fish. That might be oversized. Might be a keeper though. It might be right under that limit, which would be awesome. Oh, there he goes. Oh man. I think it was probably too big. But either way, I gotta get fishing again. I'm seeing nothing now though. You have salmon? Dad's got a salmon. Yep. Listen to that zing, Dad's got a salmon. We were out here for 3-4 hours and saw nothing on the sounder the whole time, and then all at once, all these places just filled with salmon. He already has his one keeper, so even if this was a keeper-sized fish, limit is 1, you're done.
Yeah, he's coming up now. He'll be on the surface.
Oh, there's one. Yep, got one. Right out of that. Oh, he's off. Or is he? No, he's... What? Okay, yeah, he is off. You can still see them down there arcing. Yep, there's another one. I just got struck. Dad's got one.
I had one on, but I lost him.
Yeah, I just got struck too.
And again, a different one here.
Yeah, Dad's on again. We're about to have a double header. I just got hit.
That is crazy.
They're still on the sounder right down there. I fall on they're all back on the surface. There's one. Oh, I just missed. See that?
Yeah.
Like literally the entire screen is fish markers and arcs.
Wow.
And there's a bait ball right on the surface. There's like, what was there, like 6 boats at one point?
Yeah.
0 now, other than us. Dad's got a fish. Dad's got a salmon. Let's see if we can get a double header here. Unbelievable amounts of fish right on top of this big dense bait ball. All at 30 feet. Let's see if I can hook into one here, get a double header going. Oh, Dad lost his. Huh? What do you mean? You've hooked 1 salmon more than I have. Is that a salmon? It is? Dad just lost a 3 or 4 pound salmon, and since he's hooking so many on the P line, I'm gonna switch back to the P line. This is the exact jig that he just hooked like 3 salmon on. I'm gonna put it on my own line. Spot him. How are you? Okay, maybe Maybe the like 10 feet separating us is the difference. I'm gonna slowly start moving your way. Oh, I just got hit. Yeah, there's one. Double header. There's what I wanted. I think mine's very small, but still a double. Oh, mine is like 14 inches long. Still a double header though. Come on, shake the hook out. Let's get a nice quick release here, buddy. Shake the hook out. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. They're like perfectly moving under your boat. Like I keep losing them, and then I go over to you, and then oh, lo and behold, there's all the fish again. It's as if they're following the ones that you hook or something. Makes no sense. There's one. Yep. Small salmon. Another doink, I think. Oh no, this could be a keeper. Maybe. I don't think this is a keeper. Came right to the surface as well. Yeah, I think that's undersized. Yeah, it's definitely undersized. Nah, he's for sure undersized, but yeah, he's somewhat close. It's like a 4-pounder, 5-pounder. Hey, there, you little doink. Come on, get in the net. Or get a quick release. That would be nice too. There we go. Let's get you released and let's get me back on my journey to find a keeper. Already looks like he unhooked himself, so I'm just gonna pop him out of the net. See you later. Oh yeah, no, they're right here. Yep, there's one. Oh, just lost one. That was a good one. That could have been a keeper. That was a better fish. That could have been a keeper. Like 30 feet. The bait ball is over here. You should come over here. There's one. See that? That was another big strike. There's one. I got one. I think it's undersized. Jeez, it's gonna break my rod. Here. Oh, this could be a keeper. Yeah, I thought he was small because he just came right to the boat, but he looks pretty big. Yeah, I think this is a keeper. Don't do that. Don't do that. Not sure, that one's right in the edge. I think it's undersized. Let's see. Well, this fish is right on 62, which is the legal minimum size. So it's so close that I'm just gonna get this guy going. Okay, well, that was a very ungraceful release, but he's good. I probably could have kept that fish, but like, it was very, very, very close. Right on the legal limit, and I'm just not comfortable with that. And there's still more fish. This is still happening, so I'm hoping I'm gonna get another one here. One that is well within the keeper zone. Maybe not though, maybe I'll regret it.
I got one.
Dad's got one. That was a hit. There's one. Come on, be my keeper. Be my keeper.
Keeper?
I don't know. Doesn't feel big. No, not even a salmon. Fling and he's off. Oh, I just missed one. There's one. Doesn't feel big. Might not even be a salmon. Not a salmon. Oh, I really hope I don't regret releasing that fish.
Anyways, whatever. It was like a 5 pounder.
There's one. There's my keeper. Come on. No, it's off.